How does international humanitarian law differ from international human rights law? In recent discussions surrounding global conflicts, many are asking how international humanitarian law differs from international human rights law. This question is particularly relevant as conflicts continue to impact civilian lives worldwide. Understanding these two bodies of law is essential for anyone seeking clarity on the protections available during times of war and peace. International humanitarian law, often referred to as IHL, focuses on the rules that apply during armed conflicts. Its primary aim is to limit the suffering caused by war. This body of law establishes guidelines for how combatants should conduct themselves and how to protect those who are not participating in hostilities. The Geneva Conventions and their additional protocols are key components of IHL, providing specific protections for civilians and prisoners of war. On the other hand, international human rights law, known as IHRL, addresses the rights of individuals at all times, including during peacetime. IHRL sets universal standards for how individuals should be treated by governments. It covers a wide range of rights, such as freedom from torture, freedom of speech, and the right to a fair trial. This body of law applies to everyone within a state's jurisdiction, regardless of the situation. The scope and application of these two laws differ significantly. IHL is only applicable in situations of armed conflict, while IHRL applies universally. The purpose of IHL is to mitigate the effects of war, while IHRL aims to protect individual rights and freedoms at all times. Moreover, the regulatory frameworks are distinct. IHL is codified in treaties like the Geneva Conventions, whereas IHRL is based on various international and regional human rights instruments. Despite these differences, it is important to know that both laws can apply simultaneously in conflict situations. This overlap provides additional protections for individuals affected by war. As conflicts continue to unfold globally, understanding the differences between international humanitarian law and international human rights law becomes increasingly important. This knowledge empowers individuals to advocate for human dignity and welfare, regardless of the circumstances they face.